In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make decals in Roblox on your mobile. So the very first thing you need to do is launch up the Roblox application, and from the navigation menu in the bottom, we need to select more at the bottom. Right, scroll down and select Create. Head over to the navigation menu in the top left-hand side, come down to Creations, and then scroll across this menu and select Development Items beneath the main navigation. You'll see the sub-men items. So just scroll across and select Decals. Scroll down and select Upload Asset, and then press the Upload button to upload our photo. You can either choose to upload a photo from your library or your files. I already have my photo saved inside a photo library. Then just go ahead and select your photo and click Done. Then scroll down and you'll need to give your decal name. I'm just going to call this new decal, and finally give your decal a description. You can just use some words to describe the image, and then we need to scroll down to the bottom and select Upload. Now just wait a few moments for your new decal to upload. Once you've created your decal, this will go to a review process and can take 5 to 10 minutes to get accepted. Once your decal has been uploaded, we can select the decal, scroll down and head over to the settings section, and we can select Distribute on Create a Store if you want this decal to be available publicly. And then finally, scroll down and select Save Changes if your decal is stuck on this review page like so. Then you may need to force close the application and reload the decal page. So to do that, we can just scroll up on our phone and close the application like so. Then we're going to head back over to the Roblox application, come down to More in the bottom right. Come back over to Create, head over to the top left-hand navigation, click on Creation, scroll across to Development Items, once again scroll across to Decals, and now you should be able to see your decals in this list down here. Once we finish creating our decal, we can select these 3 horizontal dots, click on Open Asset Details, and this is going to provide all of the information about our decal. Then head down to the URLs section of your web browser, and what you need to do is just copy all of this text like so, and this is going to be your decal link, which you can use for some experiences as a logo, or you can just add this to your own creation. And that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching.